The controversy over when to fill a vacant Senate seat moved to a courtroom.
Yeah, the seat became vacant when the sitting state senator, Gary Stubblefield, died in September. 4029's Brett Rains was the only reporter from our area who was inside the Little Rock courtroom today.
The attorney for the Franklin County resident who's suing the state says not only the rights of her client, but the rights of all voters in Senate District 26 will be violated if they do not have representation for the 2026 fiscal session. Now, in court, attorneys for the state argued that the lawsuit should be dismissed, and we asked after today's hearing, but they are not making any additional comments.
District 26 has 85,000 people that need represented, and we don't have that right now. We don't have anybody to be our voice this fiscal session coming up in April and May.
Colt Shelby is suing the state. He lives just a few miles away from where a new 3,000-bed prison is being planned for Franklin County. Shelby was friends and neighbors with District 26 Senator Gary Stubblefield, who died on September 2nd. Arkansas Senate District 26 includes parts of Franklin, Johnson, Logan, and Sebastian counties. The proclamation from Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders says it's impracticable or too burdensome to hold a special election within 150 days of Stubblefield's death. A special primary election has been set for Tuesday, March 3rd. The special general election is set for June 9th, nearly 280 days after Stubblefield's death. District 26 residents would not have a vote in the Senate when lawmakers return to Little Rock in April for the 2026 fiscal session, when they'll be asked to fund the new prison.
One vote in the state Senate is a lot. It's a big thing happening right now, right in our backyard, and there's nothing we can do about it.
Attorneys for the state did not call any witnesses during Wednesday's hearing before Pulaski County Division 11 Circuit Court Judge Patricia James. They said the governor did everything required by law and that the lawsuit should be dismissed.
They're arguing that the governor has complete authority to determine that it's an undue burden. She doesn't have to explain why, and she doesn't have to tell anyone why, and the courts have no authority to overturn her. That's a pretty bold disregard for our system of checks and balances, for the constitutional rights of Senate District 26.
In court, the Franklin County election clerk and the Logan County election coordinator testified that they could meet all deadlines to hold a special primary election in January and a general election on March 3rd. But it's not their call. The Pulaski County Circuit Court judge did not issue an immediate ruling today. As of right now, there's no word exactly when her ruling will be handed down, but she did say that it will be quick. In Little Rock, Brett Rains, 4029 News.